Here are 3 simple tips you can use to grow your YouTube channel. If you have been struggling and you want to grow your YouTube channel, apply these 3 simple tips that I'm going to show you in this video. So the first thing I want to talk about is upload. Okay, make sure you upload at least 1 video every week. Make sure you build that weekly confidence with your audience, with your fan, okay, the people that watch your content, not just posting once a month or once in 3 months or anytime you just feel like. Build a community around your audience and build consistency. I know that some creators, they want to post videos every day. Some persons, they post 3 times every day. That will not equate growth on your channel. So make sure you post at least 1 video, a very good quality video, once in a week. This will make your subscribers to know when to tune in and watch your videos. Okay, consistency is key on YouTube. Okay, so if you want to grow, you must be consistent. You must drop your videos, at least 1 video every week. This brings us to the second tips on how to grow your YouTube channel. This one is simple as it sounds, okay, but it goes a long way in helping your channel to grow, okay, and that is replying to the messages, to the comments of your audience. When you see somebody that drops a message or the person commented to your post, make sure that you reply and engage with that particular person. Once your audience are seeing that you respond to message, they will feel connected. They will feel that they are talking to somebody. There is somebody that they are connecting with. Not just post a video and then you allow the comment to flood in your channel and then there's no one that you are responding to. Some person might be needing your help on the video that you posted, or they want a particular guideline on a particular thing. So make sure you are responding, build engagement with them, get to know what they want. Okay, for example, one of my subscriber, I dropped a video and the person commented and said, please do the review of that particular phone. Okay, I'm talking about the unboxing video I posted some days ago. Somebody commented and said, do a review of the phone. Now they want me to review the particular phone that I just unboxed. That has given me another video idea. Okay, as I'm speaking with you, that review video, I'm going to drop it, okay, so that that particular person will know that I have responded to his or her needs. Okay, this brings us to the last one, which is improving the quality of your video. You can see how my video is sharp. I like it very sharp. I like good quality. So make sure that your audience are watching a very good quality. When they see your video, they'll be moved to click on it because quality is better than quantity. Okay, so by the time you are just releasing video and then the videos, they look so blurred, they are not sharp, you might not retain audience like that. If you want to create that engagement, engage or create quality content, quality videos. Try to create unique videos that can engage audience and get them to stand out. Okay, by the time you are doing all of this, you'll be seeing your channel grow. You'll be surprised that these simple tips can actually make your channel grow instead of creating and publishing videos every day. Okay, I hope these tips will help you to grow your channel. And then if you have watched this video to this very point, please consider subscribing to the channel if you have not done so, and then give this video a thumbs up if you have gained value in this video. Thank you and see you in my next video.